How to change your keyboard background on iPhone. The only way you can change the keyboard background on your iPhone is to add third-party apps, which is very simple. So in this video, I'll guide you on how to add third-party apps on your iPhone and change the keyboard background as soon as possible. So head over to the App Store, then search for Gboard, Grammarly board. We have a lot of them. For the sake of this video, I'll be using Gboard. Type in Gboard and download install Gboard on your iPhone. Tap on open. When you tap on open, follow the screen process and complete the settings. Once you've done that, then go to the message on your device. Then make sure you open the message like this. Then tap on this word logo you see. Tap and hold for a few seconds. Then tap on settings. Once tap on settings, it comes out like this on the settings where you see keyboard. Tap on this keyboard option here. You can see that I've added Gboard, but on your go ahead and tap on add new keyboard. Then in the search bar, select for the keyboard you just downloaded like Gboard and Grammarly. Then tap on it to add it to the keyboard. Then you have the Gboard or whatever board you have on your device into this place like this one. Now you can see that full access. If you tap on it, it's going to bring to full access. Now that I've added the Gboard here, now go out like this. Then go to the message box again and tap and hold for a few seconds the word icon. Then tap on the you should see Gboard from the other device, other option that comes here. Tap on the Gboard. So now that you come to this place, tap on setting and hold for a few seconds. Then tap on the settings icon. It comes out like this on the Gboard application. Go ahead and tap on theme. Or tap on theme, just wait a few seconds. You're going to have a lot of options here. You can see that you have this one. Let's tap this one. Then let's go to the message again. You can see that the keyboard has changed. Then let's tap and hold the settings again. Tap on the settings. Then go to the theme again. Tap on theme. Let's tap on this background and see this background. If you download that have downloaded, let's tap and see the message again. You can see that here is how to change the background of your keyboard on iPhone. If you get this tip, if you not subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.